Alright, welcome back to another Sweat Lab video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put together the auto sampler glass vials. And this is where you're going to load your samples for the LC part of your LCMS run. So first thing you want to do is just find all your products here. And so we have the caps. They're going to look like this. The inside is red, the top half is white. You're going to have your glass vials. There'll be a whole container just like this, little white section so you can write your notes and any details on there. And then one of the most important parts is going to be this glass insert, which is normally in a box like this. Just open it up and you'll see that there'll be a bunch of little glass inserts. And I'll pull these out in a second. So what you'll do is you'll grab this guy and you can write on it as you wish. Always wear gloves when you're going to handle these these glass vials. You don't want any of the oils of your skin to get inside. And I'm going to grab one of these glass tubes, and this just fits in here like so. See if I can get the camera. There we go. So that fits in there, and you can see it takes up a lot less space than the entire glass vial itself. But this insert allows the needle to travel right in the middle, and then you can pick up a small amount of aliquot. And then, just as you would expect, you're going to grab one of these lids. It's pretty straightforward. There's only one way it can go on. It'll be somewhat of a nice tight fit towards the end, and the needle will puncture right through the top of this, and you'll notice needle punctures. But that's essentially all you need to do. Then once you have this prepared, I'll show you how to load it in the LC. So we're going to walk over here. You're going to open up this door, and you're going to need to identify where you want this and where your sample is. So we have color-coded sections, R for red, yellow, and so forth. You can just spin this freely. You can pick up anything you want, right? So let's say I want yellow. On top here you have labels so you know what position, and as you've seen in the video for the software for starting a run, this corresponds on there for what you want to label that sample to be. So for example, let's say like A1, that can be my blank, and you're just going to stick your little vial, your little tube right in here. Again, pretty straightforward. And as you can see, a lot of these have, the camera will pick it up, actually all of them have little puncture marks, and that's just where the needles go for the injection. And that's essentially it. Once when you're done with this, you're going to close the door, and it's going to self-align. And from here is where you go to the computer, as you've seen in another video.